Hello all, and welcome to the Music Composition 100 course. It's Cody Wyman again. If you're watching this on YouTube, maybe this will be part of the main properties of sound series that I put together, but we are continuing in the main properties of sound series with the definition of what pitch is. A pitch is a shift in the frequency of the air vibrations in the airflow. Essentially, a pitch is made when one frequency of air is faster than the average speed of the airflow around it. Pitch is also referred to as the highness or the lowness of tone. The latter definition of a pitch is what we basically associate with a pitch. We associate it with a sound or a note. For instance, highness or lowness. That's one pitch. That's a low pitch. You could say it's very, very low. This is another pitch. You could say it's very, very, very high. This is another example of a pitch. Very, very low. And you notice how when you're doing this, the lower the pitch, the more vibration, the less vibrations it takes to do the pitch. The vibrations are slower. If you play this again, you can hear the subtle vibrations in it if you listen closely. And you can hear how it takes less vibrations because it's at a lower frequency than the air, what the air normally is at. There's a constant in the airflow, and then from that, if it goes faster or slower, it creates a pitch over the airflow, and that's where you get that peak and valley from. Now, in the high ones, the high pitches, there's a lot faster airflow going through that one. And so what happens is the vibrations, the peaks and valleys are more often and they're faster in nature than the average of the airflow. That makes it a higher tone, whereas the other makes it a lower tone. So those are examples of pitches and what they sound like and how we get those, and what that's the beginning of sound, the beginning of the properties of sound. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me in the Q&A or in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.